Hello, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Year 5 addition objectives. Firstly, what I would do is follow on from the Year 4 objectives and just practice some 4-digit plus 3-digit addition. So don't forget your headings: thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, 4,560 plus 245. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 and 4, we're going to exchange that 10 for 100. 5 and 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And then 4 plus nothing is 4,805. And just do a variety of those. That could be day 1, and then day 2 you'd move on to 5-digit number plus ones, 5-digit number plus tens, 5-digit number plus hundreds, 5-digit number plus thousands, 5-digit number plus 10,000, and that would be multiples. So when you're adding the tens on, I would literally just do 20. So we're not worrying about adding the ones, we're just focusing on adding the tens, and the same for the others there. I will do a few examples in a second. And then move on to exchanging with 4-digit numbers. So using a 4-digit number plus a 4-digit number, or even a 5-digit number plus a 4-digit number, starting to exchange, and then finishing with multiple exchange with 5-digit numbers. So I'll go through a few examples with you now. So here we've got, just line that up properly. Here would be an example of 15,632 and then adding the 10,000. That could be a multiple of 10,000. Here's an example: 15,632 plus ones, just adding a 9, making sure that actually our place value is secure and we're lining that up with the other ones here when we're calculating that. And then this example I will do for you. So 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. First start with the headings, and then we're going to enter our numbers into that. Some people will find it easier working from right to left, because then you do not leave any gaps. So for example, if you were working from left to right here, you might put 800 in here and then your addition would be wrong. So that's a simple error that some children make. Easily corrected though. So 7 plus 0, 7, 2 plus 0, 2. So already we've not had to worry about the tens and ones here because we're adding a multiple of 100. And then 1 plus 8 is 9. And that doesn't have any carry in there at all, no exchange. Your child doesn't have to worry about that at this stage. You can start putting exchange in if you want to build them up ready for the next stage, but at this point it's just being able to add those together. And then the revision of the Year 4 objectives, so being able to add 4-digit numbers, but with slightly less exchange than at the end of Year 4, because we're looking at adding 4-digit numbers to 5-digit numbers. So I'll do that example for you here. So 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So 27,286 plus 2,451. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. So we've exchanged the 10 from the 13, leaving 3 tens and putting 1 100. 2 add 4 is 6. Adding the 1 is 7. And you can cross that off to make sure that you've included that. So when you go back to check, you know that you've added that one on. 7 and 2 is 9. 2 and nothing is 29,737. And then the final part is we get onto the more tricky questions. So headings again, always headings first. $72,452 plus 19,769. 2 and 9 is 11, so we put the 1 in there, and the 10 from the 11 we're going to exchange for 110. 5 and 6 is 11, add the 1 is 12, and the 10 we're going to exchange for 100. 4 and 7 is 11, add the 1 is 12, and we're going to exchange the 10 for, so 10 hundreds is 1,000, so we've put 1,000 here. 2 and 9 is 11, add the 1 is 12, and we're going to exchange the 10,000s to 1 10,000. 7 and 1 and 1 is 9. So you should have 92,221. To go further with that, say once your child's fluent with this, it would be about giving them word problems to include these calculations and see if they can decipher, understand, comprehend the numbers within that word problem and what it's asking them to do. And it can be multi-step as well. It doesn't just have to be a one-step problem. It could be 2 steps to get the children to add 2 numbers or 3 numbers together all at once. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope that's useful.